Now, good morning, children. Now, let us see the second question. First question we have solved in the previous video, is it not? Now, second question is construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of a given ray. Means first we have to draw a ray and justify your answer. Now, for the solutions, first you have to make 45 degree angle. We know that 45 degree angle is the half of 90. So for that, what we have to do? First to draw a ray. Okay, this is a ray. Ray means we know that we should have an initial point for the ray, but there is no end point to this. Means it may continue. So this is the initial point. Let it be A, and another point, suppose we are taking it as B. And AX is a ray. AX is a ray. In solution part here we will write AX is a ray. This is the denotation of a ray. Okay. So now at A, that is initial point, it is given make an angle 45 degree at the initial point. So which is our initial point? This one is our initial point. So at this point we will make what? 45 degree angle. So for this, A is the initial point. At point A we have to draw what? 90 degree. So for that, what we will do? Take any arc and draw 90 degree for this. Okay, now keep the point here at the initial point and then draw 60 degree. Then again at 60 degree keep and draw 90 degree. Okay, 90, 60s and 120s half is 90. So with the same arc, at 60 you keep and draw an arc, and at 120 also keep and draw an arc. So wherever the intersection takes place, then what you will do? Now this is the intersection point. So these to the initial point, draw with the scale a line. Okay, like this, draw a line. So now this is what? 90 degree. We have made it. Okay, now what is given? 45 degree you are supposed to make. So 45 is the half of 90 degree. So for half of 90, what you will do? Keep the same rounder at this point. Suppose this point be your C. This is C. And this point is suppose E. Okay. So now what you will do? See. From here at this C point, keep an arc. Keep the rounder's point and draw an arc like this. Okay. And same at E also. E also keep the pointer's point and then draw an arc. Okay. So now wherever this intersection takes place. Okay. This intersection takes place. This intersection and this A. Join it. Join like this. Okay. And join with the center initial point A like this. So this is your 45 degree. Now you have to show first the steps of it, how you made. So what you will write? Steps of construction. So whatever you have done, same you are going to write for steps of construction. Okay. So first, draw a ray. Draw a ray AX. Okay. With initial point. With initial point at A. This is the initial point A. Okay. At A. Now second step will be what? Second step will be, now at A, draw a semicircle with any measure of arc. Less than the ray. Any measure of arc means this arc, any measure. It could be 1 centimeter, it could be 2 centimeter, it could be 3 centimeter. Okay. So any measure of arc. Okay. So arc is drawn. So let the line, the point, third point, the point of arc of semicircle touches the ray at C. This is C. So now from C, fourth point, from C, cut with the same measurement arc, cut an arc of same measurement on the semicircle. Okay, that means like here kept the arc to make 60 degree, and then at 60 keep and draw at 60, keep the rounder point and draw an angle 120. Okay, then fifth one, this is 120, this line is what, 120, and this line is 60. Okay, same arc from 60 degree and 120 degree, draw arcs wherever the intersection takes place is the 90 degree. That means this keep here and with the same arc draw, and from here draw. So wherever the intersection takes place, that is our 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree, join it to A. Okay, join 90 degree we got. Now sixth point is draw arcs of same measurements from 0 degree. That means this is 0 degree, this point C. Okay, or you can write from C and E, because this point we have joined to A. So this 90 degree is we have given as what name? E name. So we can write from C and E, wherever the intersection takes place, wherever the intersection takes place is the 45 degree. So this intersection, wherever this, from here C an arc like this, and from E an arc like this. So wherever the intersection takes place, that is our 45 degree, the required angle. So therefore you can write angle, this particular point, this point we can give it as D. Okay, so wherever the intersection takes place, that is D. So you can write, name it as D. Okay, name it as D. Got it? Now from here, with the scale, what you will do? To C, draw a line likewise, and to E also draw a line likewise. Okay, now clear? Now this intersection wherever took place, 45 degree one, that is D. We have given the name as D. So from D to C, draw straight line, and from D to E, draw straight line. Okay. Now justification we have to show, because what is the question? Justify your answer. Now you can write justification of construction. Justification of answer, construction. Okay. Now you can see in this triangle ACD and triangle ADE, means this triangle, this small triangle, and between this triangle. Okay. AC equals to AE. You can write AC equals to AE, because what? Arc of the same radii, because radii means what? Radius, plural is radii. So this is also the radius measurement. Na semicircle we have made. Remember children, this is the semicircle. I have written here semicircle. Semicircle means the radius will be always same for the same semicircle. So AC and AE both are the radius. That's why they are the same measurement. Clear? So AC equals to this. And then same way from here C to D, we have drawn the arc, and same measurement arc from E to D we have drawn. C to D and E to D also same measurement arc we have done. So that is why you can write here CD is equals to ED. Same way what? Same arc. Same arc. Yes or no? And then AD equals to AD common. AD equals to AD. For this triangle also AD is there. And for this triangle also AD is there. That means AD is common for both the triangles. AD is common for both the triangles. Right? That means what? If the three sides of one triangle is equal to the three sides of another triangle, that means what? They are equal. They are equal triangles or not? If they are equal means this angle will be equals to this. We can write triangle ACD, and this is called congruence. Congruence means similar. In the class 8th and in 7th also we have read about the congruency of triangles. Is it not? So they are congruent. Triangle ADE. They are congruent, means same. You can write same or similar. Okay. Triangles are same. Now when they are same means this angle CAD is equals to angle EAD. This angle will be equals to this angle. Okay. And we know that, you can write, we know that this angle CAE is what? 90 degree. We know that angle, by construction we have done now, angle CAE equals to 90 degree. We know that. Right? Now angle CAE is equals to what? Angle CAD plus angle EAD. This plus this gives the whole angle. Right? So I can write here angle this CAD plus angle EAD equals to what? 90 degree. Just above we have seen both the angles are same. Here equation 1 you can write. In equation 1 we can see that these two angles are same, means this is equal to this. So now in place of this I can write this angle 2 times. So I can write angle CAD plus angle CAD equals to 90 degree. Okay. Why we have done this, you know? Because in equation 1 we can see that angle CAD is equal to angle EAD. means this angle is equal to this. So in place of this angle, I can write this angle, right? Because both are equals to 90. So implies what? 2 times angle CAD equals to what? 90 degree. So implies one time will be angle CAD equals to 90 degree upon 2, which is equals to 45 degree. So now proved. This is what? 45 degree proved. So justified. This is the answer. Justified. Got it? This angle is 45. By construction we have shown that this is 45 degree. Construction, step of construction also we have shown this is 45. And justification of construction we have shown how it is 45 degree. Clear to you, children? Okay. Copy down in your maths copy. Okay. Now see the third question, children. Construct the angles of the following measurement. So first question is what? Third one's first part is 30 degree. That means you are going to construct what? 30 degree. So for that, first draw a line. Okay. We know that 30 is the half of 60. So for 30 we need to have 60 degree. Right? Draw a line segment. Okay. Let it be. Point will be A and this is B. Okay. Clear? A line segment taken. Now from A, draw 30 degree. So keep at the point A, initial point, and then draw an arc. Okay. With the same measurement of this arc, keep at this point and draw arc. Okay. Clear? So now what is this? This particular angle is what? 60. Keep here, this point and this point, join it. Okay. This is what? 60 degree. So 60 is half will be what? Half of 60 we know that 60 divided by, if we do here 60 divided by 2, half will be how much? 30 degree. And that is a question. So what we will do? Keep at this A and this arc point. Okay, where it touches the line segment AB. Now keep here and draw an arc like this. Okay, and at C, wherever it is touched, this one, 60 degree line on the semicircle, draw an arc like this. Okay, so wherever the intersection took place, you can see the intersection is here. So join this with the center, that is A. Likewise. Okay, now draw a line like this. So this one is called your 30 degree. Clear? Understood? So this much only you are supposed to do, because what is given? Construct the angle of the following measurements. You are not going to write anything for this. No steps of constructions and even not for justification. Okay? Just only construct the angles. Clear? Now, how you have made that steps of construction you may write here. Okay? That is first step of steps of construction. What you do? Step of construction will be what? First one, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment of any measurement, with initial point, point as A. Okay, initial point is A. At A, second point, at A, draw semicircle of any measure of arc, any measurement of arc. Okay, any measure of arc means you can take 1 centimeter, you can take 2 centimeter and draw an arc from here to here. Okay, same measurement arc. Okay, with the same semicircle whatever you have taken, keep here and draw with the same measurement. Do not do here any, it will be same measurement of arc. Okay, draw semicircle of any measurement, any measure of arc. Means any measure, you can take 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter and draw a semicircle. Third point, with the same measure of arc, from this point, suppose this is your D, so measure of arc from D, draw an arc on semicircle. That means this is a semicircle, so same measurement arc, cut an arc on this semicircle. Okay, so that makes what? Suppose this point I have given as C. Okay, so angle DAC equals to 60 degree. Okay, now fourth point will be what? Fourth point will be from B and C, draw arcs of same measurement and wherever the intersection takes place, takes place, join that point to A to get 30 degree. That is angle D. Suppose this point, this one I have done as E, suppose. So you can write that is angle DAE equals to 30 degree. Okay, these are the steps of instructions. With every construction you will have to write the steps of construction. Okay, now same way, now we will see the second part. What is given? How many degrees? That is 22 half degree. Now I will be drawing only the construction part. Step of construction already for 3 questions I have done. So you have to write the step of construction of your own. Whatever you are doing for the construction, same you have to write for the step of construction. This is for this question. Okay, question number 1. Now second one, only this construction I will be doing. You have to write the step of construction of your own. Okay, now for this one, 22 and a half is the half of 45 degree and 45 degree is the half of 90 degree. That means for this construction we need to have 90 degree, then 45 degree and then 22 and a half we will get. Okay, so for that what we will do? Draw a line. Okay, and then to the extreme point we won't go because we have to construct the angle also. So let this be A and this point be B and this is a ray, suppose. That is X. AX is a ray and A is the initial point. So now at initial point, first draw a semicircle of any measurement of arc take and then draw a semicircle. Now keep here and draw same measurement arc. Again keep here and draw the same. Till now I think you might be knowing how to make 90 degree. So got it, this point is what? 90 degree. Okay, so this intersection point is what? This one is 90 degree. Okay, so now this point to this we will join likewise. Okay, this is 90 degree. Now we need to have what? 45 degree for this 22 and a half. Because for that what we will do? Keep the rounder here and draw the measurement of the arc like this. Okay, same measurement keep here and draw again. Okay, so wherever this intersection took place, this one, this point, to the center A, join. Okay, likewise keep and join. Okay, so this is 45. This angle is 45, but we are supposed to find what? 22 and a half. So what we will do? Again, between this and this 45, we will divide. Okay, so intersection, bisector of 45 degree we will do. So this is the bisector of angle 45 degree. Okay, so here the intersection took place. So now this point to A, we will join the line. Okay, likewise. So now we got the bisector of angle, bisector of 45 degree is what? 22 and a half. So now we got this intersection point. Now join this one to A. Okay, join like this. Okay, so this angle is what ours? 22 and 1/2 degree. Clear? Understood the construction? Now step of constructions, write of your own. Okay. Now till now you might be knowing how to write a step of constructions. So write the step of construction for this. For this first step what you will write? Take a ray AX. Okay. Take a ray AX with the initial point at A. Draw 90 degree at A. And then do the angle bisector or draw the angle bisector of 90 degree. Okay. Then we will get what? 45 degree. Again third point. The angle bisector of 45 degree gives the 22 and a half degree. Okay, 3-4 lines you write for step of constructions. Okay.